breathing is everything. Breathing affects all of your activities, all of your thoughts. If you can't get oxygen and you can't breathe, you really can't be involved in life. So walking is difficult sometimes. It becomes more difficult the longer I walk. Mostly doing housework too can affect this. Like I can't really vacuum without stopping to catch my breath, and going up and down the stairs with a load of laundry is also difficult. My pulmonary physician mentioned it to me to be able to use it for a couple of weeks and see if it would help me. And it certainly has. I've been using it all year so many ways, and more I've found ways to use it that I didn't think would be necessary, like first thing in the morning. Using PEP Buddy to try to get any stale air or any trapped carbon dioxide out is so helpful, and to be able to get new air in. PEP Buddy really helps me to focus and take a moment to be quiet, to try to really help my body get the oxygen that I need. It's on my dining room table, and so it's accessible as I need it for anything in the house. I wear it to tennis and I use it there. I'll put it on when I'm doing yoga. It's usually with me all the time. If you feel like you can't breathe, you start to panic and you think you're going to choke to death. So you have to calm yourself down. So now you're focusing on doing this, and so now you're not as focused in the panic of what is happening to your breathing. But it's great. It's compact. It's easy to wear. The necklace is stretchy, so it doesn't feel like it's choking you. I really appreciate having this and being able to use it. I would suggest that anybody who has trouble breathing to try this. It gives you another tool in your toolbox to survive your day and maybe even feel better at the end of the day.